Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so. What frame adwoa searching.
Awia we no kwanya menimi mani agu tisha me Ashiaman ba fitianopa. I'm trying to prevent whatever is happening here. Look at the grounds. Since morning, I'm trying to prevent whatever is happening here. Yeah, you go to me, we are 6 feet under. We are calling the authorities to come to bring the how do you call it? The truck and whatever to come and take the baller. Up to now, they just do the skirmish work. And look at what is happening here. What are now we here? What's that the book? In short, a best of then what is the essence of you do the cleanup exercise? As some way, what say, you better let me be a cosu. But baby, I can say, I hear 2-1. You at money. Yeah, you at 2-1. I can say 2-1 to money. This is becoming unbecoming. This is Ashiaman. This is Ashiaman. What is the MC doing about this in Accord the assemblyman? Accord whoever is in charge of whatever they have to come and do here. And look at what is happening. Are they crossing for now? They are crossing for. Look at you yourself. Anybody that watch. Look at this. What is happening here? What kind of nonsense is that? Are they Ashiaman? We don't know. We don't know what is good. We don't know what is good for us. What kind of life is that? Mama, you as a party person, Mama, you it's becoming too much.
I am for no join MPP so I am boa. So who bush any be then or join MPP and so ya boa. Into one ankasa see when MPP ni aboa ni chie na away abadi. Awon ankasa e ya abadi. E ye nyempire kasa ye dwene ho sino ho na dwene ho e was of 4 January sankofo puo betew. Enyin na nyin wo wa adwene mu. Nyin wo wa adwene mu. Nyimpa onkasadam ebia ya abonya MPP fu na wo yemboa na je MPP nya ya abade se nya MPP ni bi kasa e ya abade nti MPP fu na nya obia ye wa MPP mpanyumfu ni hinala enya obia ye we hu bia le nchia na da because mu hu nyimpa we hu akwancha we chia na da mu hu nyimpa we hu ejamo we chia na ejamo good morning mu hu ni bi da nti se MPP fu ni na enyi bia nkasa da na ocheda wo de nyimpa na se ebehie MPP ni bi enye na akasa the most mosi anade osmosi ed won sa to ni seye ma nti chi MPP ni a echie won echi aboa na enna we hona enhu nyimpa we echi aboa da nti elkasa eye dwen ansa na akasa elkasa tetu hu watutu wo fie wie na hwe na nyema nkoye ye no woro so atena wo wona anyi wonam na ehwe won ntete ni bi enye bi na masua ade won ho na jai da nyema na eri ye na akoba hihye ginje ni yi abo ni yi kwase ni yi ni ti de yi na anu de iwiase obiele enyi wo so ye tsen ne da obie enyi wo da mbo na eleka no gidi de bebi ma ede koda ehun wo ye nyimpa no da mbo na bi wo ho Jesus po oside obi friend tin ni osida me from a tin ni ejo wo so no nkotin no oten nti no ode ehu da enye nyimpa yegu asase de obiele enyi wo a oso no oten wo bebi ala nti next time el kasa eya da swingi sana
almost more than that. But 24-hour economy, what is it? 24-hour economy when you two that we are coming. So why is the 24-hour economy? The people are crying. For party food soldiers in common diom. Or chebi move from some baba. Yet your man Harry na Bruce Muji double salary and I don't know mobile. And I do on your shekurano, Mukochum. Oma appointments when I'm one more cochum. Messi Yankasa, the question I gonna for be someone say. Women Development Bank na wehin. Eko kwa mosimo de mo am kokon ketinkete. En confirm 2 yard ano. En na so kokon ketinkete no. Mo say mufu soldiers na atwa videos abramo. Say kokon no makumo mare. Na ka o ma na kokon mienu asa kokon miensa no. Onfa onu ni sika obeto adwane adi no. Onfa no nto adwane ma akokon mienu no ho. En kokon mienu. So person wo boa obi invest to obi life. Is it not an insult? So be ye campaign ato abama no akoma na akukọ mi na akukọ ba akukọ esen akukọ ba na nti no kwadnya wiem to ababa akukọ ba nti na Ghana fo kwadnya wiem to abama akukọ ba mienu na de man se mama akukọ nketenkete fa kọ bobra manti mama ne preko manti mama na akwanche akukọ eti no to abama mo and you think it's funny mo be pay bi na maye no mo arresting crofo thinking say Ghana fo be sa to abama mo me se mo bamba president mama man 6 times. Just the next time NPP is coming back to power. It's more than monkey come on you say Ghana for the common Ghana for him. Ghanaians are hungry. It may say baby Edru na esa time yi chairman fokumu every party no. Na Ghana for comedy om. Baby man stop NPP from winning. It's more than say NPP for kon. It almost say NPP will be in opposition again. More the dada mo. I me kwa akoda. Na minister na o say mo full soldiers video nkokọ na abram so mo kun nkokọ na ewe no time so a na obehu agric minister me se time so a me akra na me point say wo ye mechi nkotum obekọ ye be jelu ti woni ma be nkokọ no wo na akọpọ mo sambra nkofo kumawia wa akoto bibrem ta krokro the John story number 2 ache nkofo wedi sika na wie no no aka se kumawia na da record so to achire bi ne ye se o wankoye nkokọ nkutikiti na manfo awom so ma awom de na wo na be ko
jem nwanwa kra ni se onipa ba akubi kra de emira bi wase ono de ko challenge Joma ama se oni hu kwan so okotetem enne nipa na so o sa koka se Joma ama ho kwan so okotetem. What is happening? Ti nipa na wo to odwini Ghana ho na odwini ne fu ho eno kra de enna nche because and Joma hama obatetem ekwa Ghana for de ne be fa so no onu obenu no ho enu guase obeji no abamro fu tantare we the whole Africa obi awa bompa as president Joma hama the whole Africa obi awa bon as president Joma hama na mo ti ho say ye push ni term agenda nya nipa o ma ko school akodru akiri na omo kekansem hunu enti sikanti school na nipa kono ye man kwada no hunu so mfaso enka se we wo school adru akiri ye professor enti wo kasemo a ya semo a abawum na mo kekansem hunu sa Ghana for omra mo de mo nko ene court yi Joma hama parking nkrofo a parking nkrofo nko a ti mo fa nko Joma hama mra tetem se enya tuo no de ba enya tuo ena Joma hama de baba tetem no eya abatuo ne be kwa akoto na so wini odi aba o mutimu pa ne se 2028 e be wiem Ghana be de 2028 December 7 Ghana be de papa se Ghana for betina ho se Joma hama mamu ofu tantanwe on sa me riabem it will never happen. The see 2016 no e be see 2028 you so ye bema no eduru ha on tra so be riabem oso ye bema o Ghana ha no edu 2028 on try so be wiabem nyam nya be hu de be si o mawe mu obi antimi nwiaba no Ghana for ye nyimi jimi sa ye be kwa akoto aba no na Joma hama mo de ne ba tetem ye betu no ama ohunu se Ghana for ye nso so nsem so enti eno nso ayade ba ko a ewo ho omo pre na zeze he said you know Joma hama kan say Supreme Court aye unanimous FC no say ye Supreme Court yi ye ntimi nka ye aye ye say Joma hama na ye be sa akobisa ne say Joma hama say Supreme Court yi na nakufu at the time now see aye unanimous FC o time yi aye den eko was 11 ana say den na ono nso aka akire yen enti tumi no oho obetumi dia koye mo de ombeye na ya si ai emra no man kwan so contest third term ye be ma no kwan me contest because emra no ma no kwan say antena so by force third term say o twa 4 years ni wi a emra no ma no kwan say chinchina won say ntwa 4 years nka ho de de wo mu no emra no ema no kwan say ni 4 years we na ototo papa so no o twa wi a on antena so 4 years na ebom wo mo se o mo kokre say emra no be ma nkwa so on san contest bio enti Ghana fo na say yagimi a yenim nyansa yenyi ye constitution ni a ye be sa akotwa baba ne so on san metena so tetem enti ye nyina ye bom pa se twere mpo Nyankopon be ma ye nkwane ahoden na ebere no so na Joma ha mom sa ade ne ba biewa Ghana fo akire se yenye nkwaseyafo me nsaba metiti e se wo matena se ehunu se party no se woni omo contest flag bearer NDC mu no wo mu hunu obi a ni mu oduru a obetumi afesi Dr. Baumia se problem no enti sa tete ma dino masa agenda no asa kofa betumu no enyina ne nie wo mu nye obi poti a ometumi dina be face Dr. Baumia enti omu sise Joma Hama no anya yema nsa nko saa bio na otia konwa so de obetumi aye ye frakadam bi na chese wa wiem no watena so 2016 no otia konwa so Ghana for 2 no 2016 no otia konwa so Ghana for 2 no Rollins mpa obeti NDC na ne Joma Hama onye mu chefa no wa anwini da se obe call for third term wa anwini enem no se no obi bi sase die ntina enkrofo yese Joma Hama onko third term adiyen obi nka bibi ba ko nkire yen amam pa na ase die anase na tem didie na debi ogina ha na odidi Ghana fo atem na otutu chiki ma Ghana fo no nti ana anase sika na wo chiche ma mo no nti ana mo pese okobio na manya kwan diska no anya sa ye Fourth Republic senka mamu papa me yakotetem anka president kufo ne ma no ko tetem kane azana na na kufu ado abeto aso ezo mu mpo no abebu o ma no iye ebe fa Ghana free amena mu edi ebesi kuku so mpo no obi anwe tetem ho na nti se we yi a wabafi ya free kuku so asade yakɔhwe amna donko mu na ye ka tetem ensem amano enti eno no mo amode mo se mo nwene wo man no ho na emo mu afu na mo